Start. The committee had desired that an increase in allocation of money for construction of drinking water facilities and toilets may be considered so that the remaining AWCS also get facility of drinking water and toilets in a time-bound manner. Stop. The committee had also reiterated their earlier recommendation that mobile toilets may be provided to ensure that no Anganwadi center functioned without the facility. Stop. The committee noted with dismay that the initial reply of the ministry did not contain any details with regard to increase in allocation of money for construction of drinking water facilities and toilets. Stop. The committee note from the final reply of the ministry that utilization certificates for funds released in previous years from states UTs were yet to be received. Stop. The committee desire that the ministry may urge the states to provide the utilization certificates, pending which no further grants may be given to them. Stop. The committee disagree with the reply of the ministry that Anganwadi centers being permanent structures, the requirement for mobile toilets may not arise. Stop. Anganwadi centers are also running in rented, makeshift, semi-pakka premises which may not have toilets. Stop. The committee therefore exhort the ministry to moot a proposal for providing mobile toilets in states UTs where the Anganwadi centers do not have toilets yet and apprise the committee of the response thereon from the states UTs. Stop. On the lack of progress in construction of crèches in 25,000 Anganwadi centers in urban areas, the committee had been informed that the Ministry of Women and Child Development, in consultation with Ministry of Urban Development, had chalked out a program for creating these crèches and had reported to have approached the Ministry of Finance for the same. Stop. The committee note from the reply of the ministry that an academic effort was made to raise the Anganwadi services to the next level. Stop. However, lack of proper accommodation in urban areas running AWCS in rented buildings, non-availability of land for such ventures and huge cost of land proved to be detriments in pursuing the initiative further. Stop. While acknowledging the effort made by the ministry, the committee feel that crèches in Anganwadi centers in urban areas are very important for middle and lower income group women who go to work every day, leaving their children behind at home unattended. Full stop.